Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I come back with another video. In this video, you will get 30 plus free Udemy courses with certificate. Before getting started, if you are new on my channel, then subscribe to my channel for upcoming video. Also join my Telegram group for daily course update. So let's get started. The first course is Campus to Cooperate with Job Interview and Resume Guide. In this course, you will learn generating confidence and enthusiasm, understanding and learning the effective habits, team building and working in team, resume skills, identifying strength and weakness, adapting to change, developing interpersonal skills, time management, how to write resume CV. This course includes 4.5 on-demand video, 1 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, extra mobile and TV, and certification completion. The next course is Mastering in Interview. In this course, you will learn understanding the interview, getting ready for interview, informational interview, learn the type of question. This course includes 34 minutes on-demand video, full lifetime access, extra mobile and TV, and certification completion. The next course is Beginner's Step to get organized and manage time effectively. In this course, you will learn how to give the right amount of energy and the attention to right tasks and the correct movement in time. Strategies to successful prioritize to plan and organize effectively. How to successfully manage time with energy level. How to boost your personal productivity to get more done. How to manage a diverse level of responsive project. How to categorize tasks for efficiently. How to eliminate time waster and productivity reducer tasks. This course is 30 minutes on-demand video, 2 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, extra mobile and TV, and certification completion. The next course is Become an Ultra Learner, the first study framework for success. In this course, you will become a smarter as well as more successful student throughout efficiently learning and study skill. Boost your personal mastery and accelerate your path to lifelong learning and personal development. Enhance your productivity and focus. Increase your memory capability. This course will teach you to learn efficient, also called as meta learning or learning how to learn. Learning strategy and learning techniques such as Loki method, speed reading, and many more. This course includes 1 on-demand video, 1 article, 6 downloadable resources, 1 practice test, full lifetime access, extra mobility, and certification completion. The next course is Learn 21 ways to make money online with smartphone. In this course, you will learn over 27 different ways to make money with your smartphone. Learn which technique pay you the most money. See 7 apps will make you money while you do sleep. Learn to use an app or website that pay thousands of money to its members. Find out easiest way to make money with a smartphone. This course includes 2.5 on-demand video, 6 articles, full lifetime access, extra mobile and TV, and certification completion. The next course is Excel setup, bookkeeping, accounting, and reporting. This course includes 2.5 on-demand video, full lifetime access, extra mobile and TV, and certification completion. The next course is Essential English Grammar, important subject in detail. In this course, you will learn basic English grammar with real-life practical example to understand and speak English fluently. How to make sentence in English, detail and extension of every subject. The short and easy way to use grammar in their sentence when they speak and write. This course is 2.5 on-demand video, $30 resources, 2 practice tests, full lifetime access, extra mobile and TV, and certification completion. The next course is English Language Basic for Beginner. In this course, you will learn basic English skills, vocabulary, grammar, phonics, and how to build a perfect sentence in English. Example, what is noun? This course includes 2 hour on-demand video, 78 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, extra mobile and TV, and certification completion. The next course is Learn Italian for Beginner and Travelers. Enjoy your trip. In this course, you will start learning the basic of Italian language, learn some travel tips such as where to stay, getting around, etc. That will help you to make your trip Italy more enjoyable. Learn how the vocabulary and phrase needed from traveler point of view. Feel more confident about visiting Italy. This course is 3.5 on-demand video, 5 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, extra mobile and TV, and certification completion. The next course is Brazilian Portuguese, the ultimate course, level 1. In this course, you will learn Brazilian Portuguese course based on conversational model that will help you to achieve great fluent in Portuguese. This course includes 6.5 on-demand video, 8 articles, 10 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, excellent mobility, and certification completion. The next course is Learn to Code in Python 3 Programming Beginner to Advanced. In this course, you will learn Python 3 programming made easy with exercise, challenges, and lot of real-life examples. This course includes 5.5 on-demand video, 2 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, access on volunteer and certification completion. The next course is Head-on Python 3 Regular Expression for Absolute Beginner. In this course, you will learn 2 hour on-demand video, full lifetime access on mobile and TV, and certification completion. Next course is Modern Web Scraping with Python. In this course, you will understand the most important component for web scraping, learn more components to most of, build their own web scraping project, learn core component of 2 of the most powerful scraping libraries, Scrappy and BTU, build multiple handle project. This course will 3 hour on-demand video, 13 articles, 1 downloadable resources, full lifetime access on mobile and TV, and certification completion. The next course is Practical Java Basic course with real-life example. In this course, you will learn Java from very basic language features that are used at a business tech company, useful programming tips and tricks that can be useful for another programming language. This course is 4 hour on-demand video, 2 articles, full lifetime access on mobile and TV, and certification completion. The next course is Google BigQuery and PostgreSQL. BigQuery for data analysis. In this course, you will learn knowledge of all essential SQL commands in BigQuery and PostgreSQL, becoming competent in using sorting and filtering command in SQL, become proficient in SQL tools like group, by, join, and subquery. This course you will learn on-demand video, 2 articles, 2 downloadable resources, full lifetime access on mobile and TV, and certification completion. The next course is Digital Forensics 0 to Hero Computer Forensic 2021. In this course, you will learn digital forensic fundamental, mobile forensic, evidence acquisition, installing forensic lab, email forensics, computer forensic, auto spy, evidence analyzer, web browser forensic. This course includes 4 hour on-demand video, full lifetime access on mobile and TV, and certification completion. The next course is PHP for Beginner, PHP Crash Course 2021. In this course, you will install and work comfortably with PHP, able to read and write PHP code. You will be able to understand some backend key terms. You will be able to deep dive into some PHP complex topic easily. You will be able to grasp most common PHP standard in coding in no time. This course will 2.5 on-demand video, 26 downloadable resources, 25 coding exercises, full lifetime access on mobile and TV, and certification completion. The next course is Stock Trading Momentum Based Strategy 1 Technical Analysis. In this course, you will learn how to check if momentum is with your stock, trade, or against it. Students will get complete trading system from scratch, understanding the basic and advanced concept of RSI, Williams, stock, MSI, etc. Know more about use of technical indicator in different trading markets. This course will 10.5 on-demand video, 2 articles, full lifetime access on mobile and TV, assignment, and certification completion. The next course is Basic of Stop Motion Animation using Canva and OpenShot. In this course, you will learn the basic of animation for beginners using free software. Course, learn the basic of OpenShot video editor. This course is taught in English. Learn the basic of Canvas, how to create basic stop motion animation video. This course is 1 hour on-demand video, 3 articles, full lifetime access on mobile and TV, certification completion. The next course is Powerful Proofreading Tools for Aspiring Writer in 2021. In this course, you will learn smarter way to write error-free in 2021. This course will 31 minutes on-demand video, 1 article, full lifetime access on mobile and TV, and certification completion. The next course is Object-Oriented Programming from Basic to Advanced. In this course, you will learn OOP, with best practice in OOP architecture, a lot of coding exercise, solid principle, exam tasks, implement backend for online store. This course will 3 hour on-demand video, 15 coding exercise, full lifetime access on mobile and TV, and certification completion. The next course is Python Bootcamp 2021, build 15 working applications and games. In this course, you will learn complete Python with basic data science, data visualization, desktop, graphical, application, and Python for web. This course is 31.5 on-demand video, 18 article, 64 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, Excel mobile and TV, and certification of completion. The next course is Practical MongoDB plus PHP for absolute beginner. In this course, you will understand how MongoDB stores data, build real-life applications using MongoDB and PHP, learn basic of PHP. This course is 1.5 on-demand video, 1 article, full lifetime access, Excel mobile and TV, and certification of completion. The next course is Python for machine learning with NumPy, Panda, and Matplotlib. In this course, you will learn to code in Python and how to use NumPy, Panda, Matplotlib, and Seaborn in my real-time machine learning project. This course includes an on-demand video, 7 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, Excel mobile and TV, and certification of completion. Next course is Selenium in Java, set up simple test automation framework. In this course, you will learn Selenium basic, weights, web component concept, JUnit for basic, grade E, basic Selenium in Java, page object concept, Java transform object concept, JUnit 5 basic. This course is 3-hour on-demand video, 1 practice test, full lifetime access, Excel mobile and TV, and certification completion. The next course is Git for basic to advanced practical guide for developer. In this course, you will learn Git, perform basic and advanced Git operation, how to work with GitHub, learn the key concept of Git, manage branches, solve merge conflicts like a pro, manage local and remote repository, manage the file with Git in your file system, rebasing in Git, how to learn software in team using Git, step through an entire Git workflow, best practice of using Git, how to use Git as a historically in real life cases of using Git. This course is 3.5 on-demand video, 2 articles, full lifetime access, Excel mobile and TV, and certification completion. The next course is C programming, the ultimate complete practice test. This course includes 6 practice steps, full lifetime access, Excel mobile and TV. The next course is Java from zero to first job, part from practical guide. In this course, you will learn Java from scratch and beginner, Java software engineer, basic, OOP, interview, Git, Java collection extra. This course includes 20.5 on-demand video, 2 articles, 2 practice tests, 38 coding exercises, full lifetime access, Excel mobile and TV, and certification completion. The next course is Python 3 Bootcamp in GUI Automation for Absolute Beginner. In this course, you will learn automate your keyboard, mouse, and experiment it, draw impossible drawing using Python, send Gmail using Python. This course is 1 hour on-demand video, full lifetime access, Excel mobile and TV, and certification completion. All the links of the course are given in the description. Enroll as soon as possible before the code expires. Share to friends and family members because they can also get the benefit of the course. If you have any doubt or query, then comment below. Thank you.